everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about my favorite kitchen. I was gonna say gadgets, but it's not really gadgets, it's just like my favorite kitchen accessories. I don't know. I cook a lot, as you guys can tell, and I do have my tried and true items that I absolutely love and that I use often. I'm going to talk about a few today, and then I will talk about some other ones at a later time, just depending on if you guys like these type of videos. So I do have an Amazon page. I put a list on there that's my kitchen favorites so that you guys can take a look at them if you guys are interested. But I have my little handy dandy information here to kind of tell you guys about the products and what I actually really like about them. So let's start off by, no surprise here, I just got an air fryer. And I initially did not like it. I even told one of my friends, I don't like it, I can't do anything with it. But then I realized that I can do quite a bit of things with it. And I've just been very creative and trying to look at like different things that I can do. So let's talk about the air fryer that I got. It is the Insignia 5-quart analog air fryer. So when I initially got it, I was like, what can I cook in this? I did I think like chicken nuggets, I did fries, but then I started going into doing actual recipes. So I did chilaquiles in it and they came out pretty good. Not as good as they used, like I make them and like in the saute them or whatever, but they come out okay, like for like a quick type of thing. You can make them there. Recently I've done a lot of breakfast stuff, so like any hash browns that you want to do, like it cooks them perfectly. So hash browns, I cooked sausages in there. I think my next vlog is going to show you guys, I cook sausages in there. You just kind of put it in there and let it do its thing, and all the grease comes out the bottom. So like it's, you know, it's great. I absolutely love my air fryer. So it is on Amazon. Actually, is it on Amazon? You can probably find it on Best Buy. That's where I got it. I got it for $30 on sale. But you can look for it, or any air fryer. I recommend. I really liked it, and I really like it. Yesterday we made tacos, like taquitos, and they ended up tasting really good. And no oil, that's the best part of it. Like we've reduced a lot of oil usage with the air fryer. So I recommend it. I really like it. And it has a lot of space inside, so I can cook larger items. I cooked chicken in there. Oh my gosh. I cooked salmon. My first meal on it was a salmon. At first I thought I overcooked it, but then once I started eating it, I didn't actually tell you guys this after, but when I started eating it, it was nice and crispy on the outside and then super tender on the inside. It held in all that flavor. So good. So I really recommend an air fryer. You just have to kind of get used to cooking with it, because really I had never cooked with something like it. They compare it to like an oven. I think one of my friends sent me a video that compared it to an oven. And yes, you can cook a lot of stuff that you would usually cook in an oven, but you can also do a lot of stuff that you would do like in the frying pan. So test it out, see if you like it, and let me know. The next item that I have that I recommend is something that I got. So 3 out of the 5 things that I have on this list I got for my wedding registry, which was 3 years ago. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, almost 4 years ago. So another thing that I really like is my Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus 4-cup food processor. It's a mini food processor. So you know how there's like big ones? This one is mini. And the reason why I like it is because it cuts things so quickly. So I was making guacamole this morning at 6 a.m. because I knew I wanted it for my snack and I didn't want to like do it like during my lunch. So I did it before work and I just smashed all the avocados. I put in cilantro, onion, and serrano pepper in this little food processor. I like put it on for like 10 seconds and boom, my guacamole was done. I also use it for like if in the week I need to prep for like my breakfast, like onion or bell pepper or whatever it is. I cut it up and put it into little containers. Oh, hummus. You can make amazing hummus on it. I love it. What else? Pretty much you can chop any little thing. I was thinking I can even make a salsa in there, like a pico de gallo. I'm excited for you guys to try it because we received one for our wedding registry, and then Ryan's mom actually bought another one at Costco because they had these at Costco not too long ago. Here they're about $50 at Costco. I think they were 40 or 30. I'm not exactly sure, but I recommend it. It's I'm gonna show you guys on there, but I'm gonna also show you guys here. It's this little one here. It just has a setting for chop and grind, and I just use the chop one. You can use the grind too. I think the grind I use for the hummus, but I love it. You guys should buy it. Okay, so my next thing that I'm going to talk about are utensils. They don't offer these on Amazon anymore, so I don't know if these are going to be the same exact, but they kind of look the same. So the brand that I put on here was DSWHM. The ones that I have are Koe, K-O-E. So they're silicone utensils. I have had those for almost 6 years, okay? And they work the same as they did when I first got them. They are so durable. They are easy to clean. They're heat temp safe. So I'm gonna put these on the list. Oh my God, never mind. Well, these are $106 for the whole set. So that's kind of hefty, but honestly, like silicone utensils, if you have not gotten any, you're sleeping on it or don't sleep on it. That's what I meant, because they're just so durable and they'll last you forever. So I recommend those. The next item I'm going to talk about is the Bellarmine non-slip mixing bowls. So actually my best friend Crystal, she got me these for our wedding present. It was in our registry, and I've used them a lot. So I use them for baking, I use them for like shredding, I use them for I think I use them to make the peanut butter balls. Like, they're just perfect. It comes with 4 different sizes, and they all come with lids. So if you ever need to store anything in it, you can also do that. So definitely recommend for you guys to try out those. And the best thing is that they have the bottom that is non-slip. So if you need to like mix anything, it won't move. I use them to make pancakes and pretty much anything that I need to do to bake. That's what I use. My banana stuff, all of it, because it's stainless steel and it's non-slip. So definitely recommend those as well. So the last item that I'm putting in as a favorite is the Dutch oven from the one that I have is from Lodge, and I love how heavy duty it is. The brand that I have is Lodge, which is the same as the cast irons. They also make a lot of cast irons. It's super heavy duty. This was also a present for my wedding, and the thing is that I didn't use it often. I used it when I made soups, and I used it when I made like just liquidy stuff, because I was like, okay, it's a Dutch oven, like I can whatever, like put it in there and it'll work fine. But lately I've just set it on my stove because it looks pretty, number one, and number two, I use it for everything. Okay, so if I ever make a pasta, I'll use it. If I made eggs on it the other day. Not really recommended because it kind of stuck a little bit, so I should probably have used my nonstick pans, but I just love it. It looks amazing. It works amazing for like, I think I cooked like ground beef one day. I just use it for everything now. So I definitely recommend it. It is a little expensive. It's like about $50+. I think the Lodge one might be $70, but you will get use out of it. I guarantee it. So I definitely recommend that as well. Let me know what gadgets you guys like and what gadgets you recommend that I try out. Maybe I'll do a series out of it. I Like I said, I cook a lot, so I tend to kind of gravitate towards my favorites. I do have some other ones that I wanted to talk about, but I wanted to keep it kind of nice and light, just to recommend 5 of them for now. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you did. I will go ahead and link everything down below, and also check out my Amazon page just so you can see all other items that I recommend. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and tell your friends about the channel if they're also into cooking, because I plan to make more of these type of videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.